delve into your 5-month-old's sleep patterns. It has been 5 months since your little ball of happiness came into this world and made your life magical. You have deepened your bond with the apple of your eye over these past few months, and now you must be wondering how time flies so fast. It might feel just like yesterday when you were holding your newborn in your hands, but today you will notice that he or she has been growing in front of your eyes every day since. You will be able to hear all our words with great contentment and sighs of relief, because your 5-month-old baby has transitioned into a sleeping pattern that is much more set than before. The nights of patrolling outside your baby room might not be long gone, but they have become less demanding. And from here on, the number of those nights will just go down. We understand that you might have your moments of confusion regarding your baby's sleep pattern though. You might wonder many times if your baby is getting too much shut-eye or not enough. Well, you don't have to stress your brain cells anymore, because we have for you the ultimate guide to your baby's sleep routine. What is influencing your baby's sleep schedule? It will not be a new fact for you if we tell you that your baby has gone through many changes over the period of 5 months to be the baby he or she is today. His big deer-like eyes follow you around when you move. His cute little mouth is babbling and cooing words that fill up your house with love and happiness. And what is that on your baby's gums? Signs of baby teeth? We guess so. All these factors somehow contribute to your baby's sleep too. Everything going on in and around your baby plays a role in his sleep schedule. Even his nourishment plays a significant part in his napping marathons. The average frequency of a 5-month-old baby's sleep hours. The average period of time a baby sleeps by the time he or she is 5 months old is around 10 to 16 hours a day. However, you might notice that your baby's sleep time bandwidth has decreased from before, but that might not necessarily be true. It might look like that because your baby is borrowing hours from his daytime naps to adjust them in his good night's sleep. Your little one would probably take around 2 to 3 naps a day that can last for as short as 30 minutes or as long as 2 hours. This will give him or her a solid 10 to 11 hours of sleep at night with, if you are lucky, no to minimum interruptions. Consider this a present from your 5-month-old because it would work to your benefit. How to help your baby's sleep schedule? It will be a good idea to set a sleep routine for your baby that he or she can stick to. It might sound like a tough nut to crack, but with some practice you will realize that it was a good idea to make one. We have some pointers for you, using which you can create a sample sleep schedule for your baby. You do not have to adhere to the timeline that we give strictly, as long as your baby is getting at least 3 naps per day with a sweet sleep at night. Everything is smooth sailing. Sample sleep schedule. Wake him or her up at around 7 in the morning. Leave a gap of around 1.5 to 2 hours between his waking up time and first nap of the day. You can feed your little one his formula food or breastfeed him or her during this time. Put your baby to sleep at around 9 to 9:30. He or she will be fast asleep for at least 2 hours. When he or she wakes up at around 12 p.m., you will have plenty of time to engage in activities with him. Indulge him or her by showing him or her interesting pictures and playing his favorite music. Your baby needs his second nap by at least 2 to 2:30 p.m. 2 hours is a lot of wakey time in the baby world. You can wake your baby up at around 4:30 p.m. before giving him or her the last nap of approximately 30 to 35 minutes at 5:15 to 5:30 in the evening. Leave a gap of about 1.5 hours before getting him or her to bed for the night. At around 7:38 in the night, he or she should be fast asleep and gain his energy for yet another fantastic and fun day of playtime and naps. Know how of putting your baby to sleep. Most people sleep train their baby when he or she is having problems falling asleep on his own. It is not a necessity to train your baby to sleep, and many people decide against it because they do not want to intervene in the natural process. There are some benefits associated with getting your baby familiar with a sleep routine, like self-dependency. Once you train your little one to stick to a sleep schedule, he or she might learn to fall asleep on his own without feeling the need for you to soothe him. Parents' mood. Parents who sleep train their babies feel more energetic as their babies do not wake up often during the night. It also makes the baby more happy and playful because of a fulfilled sleep tank. No feeding. Babies who are used to a sleep schedule might not even require breastfeeding before going to bed. What to do during your baby's sleeping time? Physical clues. If you are ever in a crisis and cannot decide whether your baby is sleepy or not, look out for these signs. If your little one is rubbing his eyes, sucking his thumb, yawning or getting fussy, he or she wants to be taken to his dreamland. Putting him or her to bed. Giving your baby a massage or bath before bed can soothe him or her a lot. So, try this in addition to singing him or her his favorite song or reading his favorite bedtime story. Cribs roll. Try to get him or her to nap in his crib as often as possible. So as soon as you put him or her in it, he or she gets the idea that it is sleep time. This is all from us today regarding your baby's sleep schedule. We hope our content helps you sleep better at night, because that's the highest we aim for. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.